Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Chonghua, and if you're here, chances you are looking to become a smarter investor, whether you're just starting out or refining your strategy. Like a lot of people, when I first started investing in my 20s, I made mistakes, costly ones. I chased hype, ignored valuation metrics, and didn't fully understand how to build a portfolio for long-term success. And if that sounds familiar, you're not alone. This channel exists to help you avoid those same mistakes. We'll dive deep into stock analysis, investment strategies, and financial principles that truly matter. No gimmicks, no get rich quick promises, just the real strategies for making informed decisions and growing your wealth over time. We'll analyze why stocks move the way they do. When a stock is skyrocketing, is it truly a good time to buy, or is it hype driven? When prices start dropping, is it time to panic and sell, or is there an opportunity? Understanding why stocks move and not just reacting is the key to becoming a confident, successful investor. But before we go any further, just a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. Any stock we discuss here is not a recommendation to buy or sell. My goal is to teach you how to analyze investments, understand financial trends, and make informed decisions based on your own research. Because at the end of the day, you are the best person to manage your financial future. Investing isn't just about numbers, it's about discipline, risk management, and making decisions based on facts, not emotion. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Drop a comment below. Tell me what investment mistake you wish you had avoided, or what topic you love to learn more about. I'm here to make this journey easier for all of us. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.